I think more entrepreneurial than the two big guys. The two big guys are not bad, but this guy is more entrepreneurial kasi siya mismo nagra-run eh. Startup na naging malaki. So very entrepreneurial, very flexible, very agile, very aggressive. Ang galing maniobra and mag-adjust to reality and to the competition. Siya din daw, Dennis Uy din daw siya na may connection, para internet connection daw siya. I've sat with him dinner 6 hours, sinusyutan. Incredible person yan. Ayaw niya makipagkwentuhan daw kahit a Forbes magazine.
Hi everyone, we are back once again for another deep dive on Converge ICT.
Yes.
We're talking about it because it's close to its IPO date. And the reason why we're doing this video is we've analyzed it from my perspective. In-interview na rin natin yung COO and then yung Chief Financial Office Advisor nila. We've interviewed equity analysts naman. Ngayon, we're gonna study Converge ICT from the context of its leadership, qualitative, fundamental analysis.
Yes.
Paano ba magpatakbo ng negosyo yung mga founders nila? Kasi think about it, to everyone watching this, Tesla, Elon Musk, Apple,
Yes.
Jobs, the founders,
The leader is a big factor.
have a big factor kung paano siya pinapatakbo. And this is
Yes.
something that goes above and beyond the numbers naman. So we have historian, entrepreneur, founder of Kamaning Bakery, real estate practitioner, investor, and also Philstar columnist, and your favorite, Wilson Flores, back in the podcast. You've sat down with the Gokong Ways. You've sat down with the top conglomerates, their CEOs, their founders. What is something distinct naman na nakita mo kay Dennis Uy? What makes him different naman?
He will help the Philippines in e-commerce kasi he is in the right business at the right time in the right country. Actually, his father and him are both self-made. The father was an immigrant who came to China with kids. Dennis Anthony Uy was a kid, I think 11 years old or something, when he came over with the father. They worked in a retail business of his uncle in Angeles City. Talagang masipag yan. Parang Tessie Coulson siya. Part of the first generation siya. Ibig sabihin, the father started the business. He was already working student, helping out. He has a very good work ethic. He has very good grasp of technology, which is the future of business. Now, more than ever, the Philippines, the economy of the Philippines needs better telecom services. And he is ready. And I told him, mga joke ko sa kanya, oh, Dennis, with all this money that you are going to earn sa IPO, kasi may personal funds siya makukuha, di ba? A lot of it. Saan mo lalagay? Sabi niya, he will reinvest. He will keep on investing. Priority niya in his money and in his life is his company. Very focused siya.
In terms of parang work ethic, para silang SM na mahilig sila magtrabaho and they like to put the money back. Kasi yung backstory nila, di ba? Cable operator sila sa Pampanga. Tapos to where they are right now.
Yes.
When you say that he will do very, very well, what's the parang background behind that?
I think more entrepreneurial than the two big guys. The two big guys are not bad, but this guy is more entrepreneurial kasi siya mismo nagra-run eh. Startup na naging malaki. So very entrepreneurial, very flexible, very agile, very aggressive. Ang galing maniobra and mag-adjust to reality and to the competition. To show you an example how fast, how quick he is as a person. When the pandemic was already hitting China and Hong Kong and Singapore and other places, January pa, sa Pilipinas wala pa masyadong effect. Not too much pa. But the business of the restaurant niya, bumagsak na ang sales. Alam mo ginawa na niya? Binayaran niya separation lahat ng employee and to cut losses na before the lockdown. Sabi niya, the moment after the IPO niya, the whole country will benefit from his better telecommunication.
Kunyari sa lahat ng mga founders na na-meet mo, which do you think is the closest that possibly he is. Kasi kung isa-segment mo siya, parang ka-generation na niya, sila Razon, sila Dennis Uy, sila Ijapsia, they're almost in the same sphere naman.
Almost.
They're older than me, pero they're younger than the Luciotans of the world. So what characteristics that you saw na meron siya na dun sa mga naging top 10, top 20 riches in the Philippines, sa tingin mo, he also possesses?
I think ang advantage niya over others, he is in the business of the future. In terms of intelligence, he might not be more intelligent than some of them, but he is in a business more exciting than the businesses of other people. He will uplift the lives of everyone because of the technology. Like many successful people in the world, he has gone through a few crises in his life. And when he was young, he wasn't well off. So simple lifestyle, hardworking, very adaptable.
Businesses in times of crisis get even better. Bad businesses in times of crisis, they're the ones who don't stay afloat. Kasi madaling lumaki yung negosyo if times are good. Pero I think the test for good businesses are in times of crisis. And I like what you said na sakto, they're right smack in the middle of yung broadband market is something that's very, very underserved. It's not, hindi siya katulad ng mobile market that lahat ng tao may cellphone na, lahat ng tao may SIM card na, mas madami na nga SIM card kaysa sa tao. The difference between broadband and mobile is broadband is reliable, fixed, tsaka fast. Yun yung wala pa. So when you said that he's right smack in the middle of what's needed right now, totoo, nandun siya. And when you talk to him kahit once lang, meron ka bang sense also in terms of integrity, in terms of transparency, in how Ayala would run things as well?
I think they are going to that direction, and based on the family reputation niya, I heard the father has a good reputation in Pampanga area as a philanthropist. The elder brother, kilala ko, is a good guy. So ito, siguradong ganyan din.
Okay, so the whole goal of this also is para they get to see the CEO and the founder also as a person. Kasi every time pag nag-IPO, majority of the time tinitignan saan pupunta yung pera. Ito, they see also the person attached to it. Anything else that you know, or at least you've seen about Dennis Uy that you want people to know also para as they go public, there will be certain things that mas mapuput into the light also. Pero from your experience with him, what can you convey to people watching this?
One thing I couldn't know is you can trust him. You can trust your money with him and his company. Yun ang talagang I felt talaga, and I realized this is not only a good company, this is a good person. This is a company that you can invest in and you won't have sleepless nights. Sigurado ako. Good intention, great ideas, workable ideas, and talagang sunrise industry. A company that is sunrise industry. I wouldn't be surprised kung his competitors before would want to buy him. So if we are not tycoons to buy him, we could be part owner by buying part of his company. Yun ang maganda sa ginagawa mo, Marvin. Yung mga IPOs and stock market, it's people's capitalism. Hindi capitalism of the little elite lang. Everybody can partake of it and participate. Yan ang maganda about this.
Meron ba siyang na-mention also that specific points dun sa buhay niya or at least journey niya, nagkaroon siya ng adversity also na sobrang nahirapan yung business? May nakwento ba siya na dahil dun sa adversity na yun, it allowed them to even become better and led to what they're doing right now? He
and his wife went to another business na hindi nila core business. Yun, they cut out na. They didn't earn money there. That made him learn lessons. Na resilience and also focusing on where you can give your time and energy to. And the other one, yung restaurant niya na doing very well every day, every month, walang problema. Because of the pandemic, January pa lang daw, naging 10% na lang ang benta, nag-adjust siya agad. Tinawag niya yung mga managers and staff, binigyan ng separation pay mga tao before everything was shut down.
I want to ask this. When you were talking to him, humble, approachable, how was your sense?
Very down to earth and very humble. Nagjo-joke pa nga siya about kapangalan niya. May mas sikat siya na ano daw. Sabi niya, ang joke niya, siya din daw Dennis Uy din daw siya na may connection, para internet connection daw siya.
Yun guys, I hope that as we've given you a holistic, I guess, analysis on this, you would still study the stock on your own. Mahaba yung prospectus, it's a very, very big, long document, pero ganun talaga eh. Pagdating sa negosyo, pagdating sa investing, you also have to put the time and the effort into it because there's no such thing as get rich quick. Yung wealth that no overnight success, yung wealth that lasts is something na pinaghihirapan, is something that you go further than what everyone else is doing. So if you want to know more about the company, everything you need to know nasa prospectus, lahat, utang nila, cash nila, numbers nila, saan pupunta yung pera, sino pa yung mga ibang officers, all is there. Doon nyo rin makikita yung growth. So please, as this company goes into an IPO, please study it on your own, make the decision on your own. Habang pinag-usapan natin yung fundamentals, pinag-usapan natin yung valuations, we talked about so many things about this. I hope that it helped you gain the right decision and analysis also on what you're supposed to do. But because I'll say this over and over again, no one else will take care of your money more than you. No one else will analyze the stock more than you because it's your money, it's your responsibility. And please, the greatest thing that you could ever do with this IPO is pinag-aralan nyo siya at pinasok nyo siya dahil it's something that you really know. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo, I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.
Unique si Gokong Wei. Unique si Gokong Wei. Even Lucio Tan is a brilliant person in a different way. Dapat pag-usapan niyo ng LP Group in the future. Very interesting. I've sat with him dinner 6 hours, si Lucio Tan. Incredible person yan. Ayaw niya makipagkwentuhan daw kahit a Forbes magazine. Would call me up. Wilson, i-arrange mo nga kami ni Mr. Lucio Tan. Interview. Tinawagan ko si Mr. Tan. Mr. Tan, you cannot refuse Forbes magazine. Kasi si Donald Trump, inaaway pa nga yung magazine pag hindi siya linilista, di ba? Sabi niya, wag na Wilson, tayo na lang magkwentuhan.